Hey there, friends. How's everyone doing? Welcome to our YouTube channel. It's your buddy Anil Saharan here, ready to bring you a brand new story and video. Today's tale is packed with lessons, so hit that subscribe button faster than you can say binge watch. Let's dive into the story. Our story is titled, The Gratitude Effect, Finding Joy in What You Have. In a bustling city lived Aarav, a man caught in the whirlwind of ambition. Aarav, a software engineer, was famous for his tireless work ethic and his never-ending quest to climb the corporate ladder. He had a spacious apartment, the latest tech toys, and a car that could make heads spin, yet there was still an empty feeling inside. His evenings were often spent scrolling through social media, envying everyone else's vacations, relationships, and achievements. Despite his material success, Aarav felt like he was missing a vital piece of the puzzle. He thought happiness was just one promotion, a fancier car, or a trip to a tropical paradise away. This mindset pushed him to work harder, often at the cost of his relationships and health. One rainy evening, Aarav found himself stuck at a bus stop after his car decided it was time for a break. Next to him sat an elderly gentleman, Ramesh, dressed in a simple kurta and sporting a peaceful smile. They struck up a conversation, and Aarav vented his life frustrations. "You seem pretty content, sir. What's your secret?" Aarav asked, genuinely intrigued. Ramesh chuckled lightly. "Gratitude, my boy. It's the secret sauce to happiness. I've learned to appreciate what I have instead of fixating on what I don't." Aarav frowned. "That sounds too easy. Isn't life about achieving and striving for more?" Ramesh's eyes sparkled with wisdom. "Striving is great, but if you're always chasing what you lack, you'll miss out on the blessings already in your hands." Their chat lingered in Aarav's mind long after he got home. The next morning, Aarav's routine felt refreshingly different. As he sipped his coffee, he noticed the sunlight pouring through the kitchen window and the cheerful chirping of birds outside. For the first time in ages, he paused to appreciate the simple beauty around him. Inspired by Ramesh's words, Aarav decided to start a gratitude journal. Each day, he noted 3 things he was thankful for. At first, it felt a bit forced, with entries like "my job" or "my apartment." But soon, his notes became more meaningful. "The barista who smiled at me today, the comforting call from my mom, the stunning colors of the sunset." Aarav began to see changes in his relationships. He started expressing gratitude to his colleagues, family, and friends. When his assistant handed in a report ahead of schedule, Aarav thanked her sincerely. Her face lit up with surprise and joy. At a family gathering, Aarav complimented his sister on the delicious meal she had whipped up. She beamed, and their bond grew stronger. His newfound gratitude softened his interactions and brought a cozy warmth into his life. One weekend, Aarav volunteered at a community kitchen. He met people from all walks of life, many with far less than he had, yet they radiated happiness. A homeless man shared his story of survival and expressed gratitude for the daily meals provided by the kitchen. Aarav realized how much he had taken for granted. The experience humbled him and deepened his understanding of gratitude. He returned home that day with a lighter heart and a broader perspective. As weeks turned into months, Aarav noticed a significant shift in his mindset. His days no longer felt like a race, but a journey filled with moments to treasure. The pressure to constantly achieve faded, replaced by a sense of contentment. Gratitude didn't just lift Aarav's spirits. It boosted his productivity and creativity at work. Colleagues commented on his newfound positivity and openness. He even got promoted, but this time, it didn't feel like the only measure of his happiness. Motivated by his transformation, Aarav decided to spread the word about gratitude. He started a blog, sharing stories of everyday blessings and lessons he had learned. His posts resonated with readers who felt stuck in the same cycle of discontent he once experienced. One day, Aarav received an email from a reader named Meera. She shared how his blog had inspired her to mend her strained relationship with her father. Touched, Aarav realized the true power of gratitude. It wasn't just about personal happiness, but also about uplifting others. Months later, Aarav bumped into Ramesh again at the same bus stop. This time, Aarav wore a serene smile. He shared his journey of embracing gratitude and the profound impact it had on his life. Ramesh nodded, pride shining in his eyes. You've learned well, my boy. Gratitude is like a ripple in water. It starts small but grows, touching everything around it. As Aarav walked away, he felt a deep sense of peace. Life wasn't perfect, but it was beautiful in its imperfections. Gratitude had taught him to find joy in the present, transforming his life in ways he had never imagined. I hope you all enjoyed this story. Don't forget to check out our older videos. What do you think about this tale? Learning while having fun is a whole different level of enjoyment. So please share your feedback in the comments and remember to subscribe.